The KLLOQUE fingerprint door lock is an impressive and versatile security solution for any home. With its 3-in-1 design, you can reliability of keys. This smart door knob is a game changer for those seeking enhanced privacy and peace of mind. One of the standout features is the 3 modes it offers. You can easily switch between passage mode, entrance mode, simple rotation of your thumbprint around the knob. This is perfect for situations, from living areas, members, and even view history logs to keep track of who's been entering your space. The auto lock feature ensures you never have to worry about forgetting to lock the door. And the mute mode is a thoughtful addition for those who want to keep their comings and goings discreet. To last and designed to blend seamlessly with any decor. The black, brushed silver, and polished brass color options ensure it will complement a variety of styles. With its affordable price, especially with the Black Friday deal, this door lock is an excellent investment for anyone looking. It's easy to install and offers a range of features that make it a top choice for smart home enthusiasts and those seeking added peace of mind.
Check out the and thank you for watching this video.